safeguards come calling again. We at MG are excited to meet the MG family. Safety has always been our foundation, and in current times, we have strengthened our safety measures to each and every point of customer interaction. Introducing MG Shield Plus, an experience that puts your well-being and safety as top priority. Built around the pillars of contact-free technology, sanitization and safety assurance, and at-home convenience, it lets you explore the world of MG through convenient, contactless, and safe practices during this time. Contact-free technology is the future of customer experience, and we have introduced various innovative solutions to ensure the same. As always, you can book your MG and configure your dream car by just logging into our website, or you can now update your car over the air, just like your mobile phone, without visiting your service center. Use the My MG app to book service appointments, talk to your service advisor, and pay for service through the app itself. Taking the contactless experience to the next level, we have introduced an industry-first experience with MG V-Fi, self-guided digital demonstration that lets you explore Hector at your own pace without interacting with any MG representative. Sanitization and safety assurance is at the core of MG Shield Plus. For this, we have implemented all possible practices at all our dealerships and service workshops. From mandatory health checks and PPE kits for our staff to regular sanitization of our showroom premises and display and test drive cars, we want to ensure an absolutely safe experience for our customers. All staff and visitors who enter an MG dealership or workshop have to go through mandatory thermal scanning. Sanitizers, wet wipes and masks are made available at various places, and all display cars contain a disposable car care kit. The MG Cafe follows the highest standards of hygiene to provide food and beverages. Our dealerships are highly digitized. MG representatives have a digital version of their visiting cards, product brochures, and the price list. Also, all handheld devices are sanitized before and after every usage. If you would like to take a test drive of an MG, we have made provisions to ensure a safe experience. The vehicle is sanitized before each and every test drive and is equipped with wet wipes and sanitizers. After purchasing your MG, opt for a highly sanitized delivery at the showroom, or your MG can be delivered at your doorstep. Your car is sanitized pre-delivery and is then re-sanitized upon delivery in front of you. For additional safety and keeping up with our contactless experience, the key handover of every MG will be done in a sanitized key bag. Car invoice, owner's manual, and related documents are shared digitally with the customer. We want to ensure that every drive with an MG is absolutely safe. So as an additional aspect of in-car safety assurance, you can opt for car fumigation by M-Germ Clean or MedClean's cabin sterilization kit that will disinfect your car cabin, making it safer and cleaner. MG Shield Plus also provides services under at-home convenience that you can enjoy from the comfort of your home. Under MG Care at Home, we provide car care, sanitization facilities, and eco-friendly dry wash at your preferred location. You can also book an at-home car demonstration to test drive from our website. For any major repairs that require workshop visit, we are also offering safe pickup and drop of your car right from your doorstep. Through MG Shield Plus, we have created a safe, contact-free, and seamless experience for all of you. So come say, "Hello, MG."